Okay.
That is what I wanted to see.
That is
Wow.
wicked. It's like a river.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's a long one.
It's a long way to fall. Wow. That rules.
Are you happy?
I am so happy.
I'm not right now.
You don't see that every day though.
No. It's still got that waterfall going. Well, ice fall.
Snowfall?
Yeah. That's incredible. I am thrilled.
When a solid becomes a liquid.
No. When a solid's still a solid, but looks like a liquid from a distance.
How about a fluid?
Oh, I'm so happy. That was awesome.
Did you see the avalanche?
Yeah, I just caught the end of it.
Yeah, it's still flowing.
Wow.
That's so neat.
Yeah.
It's funny how I'm all like, oh, I want to see an avalanche off of Lefroy, and I got my wish.